to our Public Schools District Supervisor, Dr. Beatrice Ifondo Akdal, our school principal, Mr. Jovencio Uba Gores Jr., to our school heads of Balingasag Central District, our guest speaker for today's graduation ceremony, Barangay Chairman of Barangay Kugon, Honorable Julius A. Diaz, Barangay Kagawad Committee Chairman on Education, Honorable Alan Ray G. Bautista, Alumni Association officers represented by Miss Apple Vanessa G. Boadlard, School Parents and Teachers Association President Mrs. Kimberly B. Panganuran, dynamic teachers and staff, supportive parents, my fellow graduates, visitors, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. As I stand before you today, I am filled with a whirlwind of emotions, excitement, gratitude, and a hint of nostalgia. For today marks the end of an incredible chapter in our lives, as we bid farewell to our beloved Kalakala Elementary School, bearing the theme, Kabataang Pilipino para sa matatag na kinabukasan ng bagong Pilipinas. 6 years ago, we stepped foot into this school as timid little kids unsure of what lay ahead. But today, as we stand on the brink of a new adventure, we do so with confidence, courage, and a treasure trove of memories that will forever be engraved in our hearts. First and foremost, we extend our deepest appreciation to our dedicated teachers. Your guidance, support, and unwavering belief in us have been instrumental in shaping us into the individuals we are today. Your patience, encouragement, and commitment to our education have not gone unnoticed, and we are truly grateful for the knowledge and values you have imparted to us. For these reasons, we, the graduates of 2024, want to thank, with all humility, the people who journeyed with us until this very moment. To our school principal, Sir June Gores, who served as shepherd and lead the flock to righteousness and harmony. To our class advisors, Ma'am Jennifer B. Salaan, Ma'am Marife Y. Macas, and Sir Norman A. Salaan, we thank you so much for the knowledge imparted to us. You are not just teachers to us, but our mother and father too in the school. Thank you also to our subject teachers, and to all the teachers that we have been under your care since kindergarten, to the teaching and non-teaching force of Kalakala Elementary School. Thank you so much. Coming to school is quite tough. Waking up early in the morning, fixing everything you need from school, and the most amazing part, listening to our teachers' lectures and discussions. All day long was so incredibly and literally tiring. But at the end of the day, we learned a lot from them. And this knowledge that they had shared mold us and turn us of who we are today. Yes, education can shape our mind, the way we think, and change our perspective in life as well. Today, now and ever, I will be so grateful due to the fact that Kalakala Elementary School have a smart educator. Were giving us a good quality of education, preparing our mind in analyzing situations, and taught us to build self-confidence and be confident in everything we do. My fellow graduates, let me remind you that this is just the beginning of our journey and the next chapter would probably be so tight. But please, have courage, because no matter how hard life is, no matter how big the obstacles you have been through, always remember that beyond those challenges, there is a successful and a better version of you. To our parents and families, we owe a debt of gratitude that words alone cannot express. To my mama and papa, your love, sacrifices, and endless encouragement have been instrumental in shaping us into the individuals we are today. To my Lola, Mama Ujin as I called her, who always there when there's PTA meeting and acts in the absence of my mama and papa. Thank you so much, and I really love you all. Thank you for being our pillars of strength, for believing in us when we doubted ourselves, and for celebrating every milestone, big or small, with unwavering pride and joy. Our parents' unconditional love and sacrifices have made this moment possible. You have taught us the importance of perseverance, determination, and the value of hard work. As we part ways and as we soar our wings into the unknown, know that your love and guidance will always be our guiding light. And to my dear classmates, what a journey it has been, from playground adventure to classroom escapades. We have laughed together, cried together, and grown together. Each one of you has left an indelible mark on my heart. And I am grateful for the friendship that we have forged along the way. As we part ways and pursue our dreams, may we carry with us the lesson we have learned and the memories we have shared, knowing that no distance can ever diminish the bond we shared. As we stand on a threshold of a new beginning, let us embrace the challenges that lie ahead with optimism and resilience. Let us strive for excellence in all that we do, knowing that the future belongs to those who dare to dream, who dare to believe, and who dare to take the first steps towards greatness. Bilang kabataan ng ating henerasyon, may we all agents ng batang makabansa, bansang makabata upang makamit ang matatag na kinabukasan ng bagong Pilipinas. So my dear friends, as we bid adieu to our elementary school days, let us do so with a sense of pride in how far we have come and a sense of excitement for all that lies ahead. For though this may be the end of one chapter, it is also the beginning of a new and exciting adventure. Congratulations, Class of 2024! The world awaits us, and I have no doubt that each and every one of us will go on to do great things. Thank you, and may God bless us all. Mabuhay tayong